Who holds the record for the most goals in Arsenal versus Chelsea fixture?
Didier Drogba.
ये तो ऐसे ले जाएंगे, आप ऐसे ही देखते रह जाओगे, खतरनाक आदमी है।
मतलब तू इंसल्टिंग सवाल करेगा, मैं जवाब थोड़ी दूंगा। मुझे नहीं पता। अब तो मतलब यहाँ लिख दूं, ड्रॉगबा ने मेरी ले ली, यहाँ पे लिख दूं। यार तू टैमी वैमी के साथ ऐसे बैठ गया ऐसे कर रहा है, बोले ना ये अच्छा भाई, लैम्पार्ड के साथ यूं फोटो ले रहा है, यूं। Yes, it's coming.
Oh,
Yes.
now that's a player that is excited, I think, all football fans.
You know, he brings in something what Mata was bringing to the club.
Namaste and welcome to Out of the Blue with me, Arjun Kapoor, where we Indian Blues talk about all things Chelsea. Before we start off, let's introduce my co-host, दो भाई introduction.
अंकुश शर्मा from Super Football. आपसे नहीं करवाऊंगा, आपसे मैं कभी। वैसे अर्जुन, आज ना फ्रैंक लैम्पार्ड वाला आउटफिट एकदम।
I'm blushing to talk more about Frank Lampard, Chelsea, how I'm looking and how amazing I am as a Chelsea fan. We have two other Chelsea fans with us. Introduce yourselves.
So my name is Dipanshu Sharma
From?
from Kolkata, but I'm here to Mumbai for my studies.
Fantastic. और तुमको क्या बुलाते हैं?
Deepu.
नाम तो सुना ही होगा, दीपू. And you?
I'm Rishi Raj from Calcutta.
Fantastic. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं. बताओ. Tell us how you became a Chelsea fan. What is that moment that you remember? जैसे मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ, मुझे याद है when I saw Hasselbank play, that was my moment when I chose to become a Chelsea fan. So what made you a Chelsea fan?
The story started long back in 2006.
इतना टाइम नहीं है भाई, जल्दी बताओ.
2006.
Then it's fine.
First game of my life, introduction to football, was me seeing the 2006 World Cup final.
Okay.
The match happened, everything happened, and next day I also sat in front of the TV waiting that the match will come. My dad was like, "खत्म tournament, अभी नहीं आएगा football."
फिर?
मैं बोला तो फिर अभी देखना है कैसे, वापस कैसे देखे? Then he introduced me to the English football. कि वो बाद में स्टार्ट होगा, तब से देखना स्टार्ट करना. And he was the first one to say me, Chelsea team है. Well, he was not a prominent fan or something,
But he used to
said
like
me.
Chelsea.
Yeah, he
So it's
told
like
me.
your father's legacy has been carried forward and built by you.
He said that ये टीम है बहुत आगे जाएगी.
It's quite a
इसको
unique
support
story,
So he had predicted in 2006
Exactly.
that support this team. So
ये अभी उठ रही है ये टीम.
so
Support him.
आपके father का नाम?
पवन कुमार शर्मा.
तो पवन कुमार शर्मा जी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Because of you, we had a new Chelsea fan amongst us. So thank you. You predicted right. Chelsea's moved ahead from 2006 and become such a huge club
Exactly.
worldwide. And you made the right choice, baby. और आप?
I became a Chelsea fan in 2004. Basically, after what happened when the Mourinho era started. And he became the manager, and that was a huge controversy when Ranieri left. So basically, it was the first game I saw on TV was a Chelsea game. And Mourinho was the manager, and you know his enthusiasm on the field and him shouting at people. Basically, that is since then I've been a fan.
I think 2004, 2006. I know ऐसा लगता है कि it's very close, but actually देखा जाए तो 16 साल और 14 साल से fans है यार.
Yeah.
बुढ़ापा आ गया यार।
I feel old. 2004, 2006, 14, 16 years. I think amazing to know that, like me, there have been so many people who've come together and loved this club. So thank you for being here, and let's move on to
Chelsea चर्चा। Dodgy month।
outstanding month.
कुछ अच्छी चीजें थी, कुछ खराब चीजें थी। Bayern Munich।
ऊपर नीचे चलता ही रहता.
See, you're talking about the last thing that everybody remembers. That's very unfair.
But then again, Tottenham।
We had Tottenham,
Which was
I
great.
think we played well against Leicester. I think
enough.
we had a half decent game against Arsenal, except for the fact that we didn't complete the game well. Bayern Munich, very tough team. I think we got a tough draw.
See, again, it's one of those, right? Like Bayern Munich were also struggling in the season, so I was
See, they
hopeful.
were struggling to win the league. We are struggling to come fourth. There's a
Fair
difference.
enough. Fair enough.
A team
I
with
did
a
expect Chelsea to do
solid
well.
base.
and a team with a very solid defense. It's a very fluid team in comparison. The coach hasn't had to come in and implement a new style.
Yeah.
He's come in to sort of continue what is created. That's a very big difference. They can bring in a defender called Hernandez, who's on the bench.
Yeah.
He cost the club 80 million.
Coutinho
pounds.
was on the bench as well.
Coutinho
Coutinho
was
was
on
on
the
the
bench, he's
bench.
on loan. So yeah, their centre back injured, they still had Alaba to fit in. Very tough team. German teams in general are tough.
But again, I think that's where it comes to just managing the game. I thought first half, of course, 0-0. I thought we'd carry the momentum forward. And it was one
At the first half, we were playing like the away team. Let's be honest.
course.
We were
No,
playing on
but
the counter.
Caballero saved us at that time.
Exactly.
Caballero was outstanding.
That's what I'm saying.
during
We
the
were playing
first
like an
half.
away team. We were
Exactly.
trying to sucker punch them.
I asked
the
my
whole
friend beside, I was playing at Allianz Stamford Bridge.
Yeah.
The whole season second half has always been our
Actually,
poor
yeah,
point.
that is true. Even the Tottenham game, the
Any
last 15,
games,
20 minutes.
any
became-
in any of the games, our weakest point has been our second half.
But the good thing
The
about
United
us
game
is,
as well, great point.
yeah,
you know?
but the good thing about it that the never give up mentality which our players are having during that time.
Yeah.
Even when we concede the goal, they're not like now we have to defend now. No, they're still attacking.
Yeah, but
These
the
things will-
downside to that is, like I said, the Arsenal game has that downside.
Exactly.
Like you end up giving away a goal
Yeah.
to Hector
Yeah.
Bellerin when 10 men because you don't know how to at one point save a game. So that's a learning, which even
Learning
I think
process.
Frank said for the Bayern game. It could have been the other way around. The first month could have been like this for us, and we
Yeah.
would have been, upset.
Yeah.
But it's good in a way that it's come in the middle, so we have 3 more months to correct. It's not a slump that we can't correct.
Yeah.
I think we played really well against Tottenham. I think we
Yeah.
were very good.
Agreed.
I think to play against a Leicester team who's formidable, they're set in their ways, great attacking unit.
Yeah.
I think we did really well to protect our team. But if you're asking me as a fan, I'll say right now Champions
course.
League, I can take this. I'll take it on the face as long as we make it to the 4th place finish. Because we had Giroud and Batshuayi at that point. You were saying, okay, we don't have a proper striker. We can't bring somebody in. Pulisic is the only new signing. We don't know how Zuma is going to be. We didn't know Tamori would become this. Hudson-Odoi uncertainty, injured. Loftus-Cheek injured. So if you take all that into account, we're
yes.
living in March.
Of course.
Despite the second transfer window opening up for us, I'm sure even you would have said, yeah, I'll take where we are.
Yeah.
With the bad and the good.
But at the start of the season, the main thing, my mentality was I don't have any kind of expectation.
Exactly.
Exactly. जो भी result आएगा, I'll be very much satisfied with it.
We were much better in the
The
Man
start
U
of the
games
season. Yeah,
actually
exactly.
and we've lost.
We were watching that game together in
Oh, you saw it
Kolkata.
together?
Yeah, we saw it together.
That's a frustrating game to watch.
Yeah.
You see your team playing well, hitting the post, scoring goals, sending offs, and the fact that there was so much controversy in that game.
I want to talk
Yeah,
about
exactly.
that. VAR.
VAR went to war with them.
Yeah.
It's a war against VAR actually pretty
It
much
is.
right now because
is.
Chelsea suffers quite a lot when it comes to VAR, and of course in that game, 2 controversial calls.
Man U ki game was a tough one to
Tough
take.
one.
The optimistic side of it was beating Tottenham. And I mean, that gives us so much pleasure, right? Like the
Pulling
fact
a
that it's
double.
against Mourinho.
Pulling a double.
Yeah, again, a double. Lampard does a double over Mourinho.
But I think this is the first time somebody's pulled a double against Jose, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
So, yeah.
That's an accomplishment in itself.
But we played
like-
really well.
Giroud was amazing in that game. Giroud.
We outfought them.
Yeah.
We outperformed them.
And Giroud, of course, like you mentioned.
Yeah.
The goal was also amazing.
Super. Ross Barkley, after a long time, had some impetus in the game.
Yeah.
They
Yeah.
played them on the wing. See, tactically, I appreciate this about Frank. He genuinely tries. Tottenham, he changed it around after the Man U game. I think he sat, he figured, tried a new formation, and Tottenham didn't have any answers. I mean, we gave them a goal in the end just out of sheer luck. We played really well. We were defending really well. We performed
Marcus
really well.
Alonso again.
Yeah.
Momentum low हो रहा था, एकदम high हुआ उसका. Now,
You know,
he's playing good.
like they say, people used to say, Willian hates Tottenham, but it seems Marcus Alonso hates Tottenham.
Yeah, he scored again.
Yeah.
Like when he's going forward, it's like, whoa, man, this should be a
Yeah.
winger.
His left foot is amazing for shots.
What I really like is imagine having Hakim's left foot going outside and Marcus coming in. Or if you have two at the back, two guys on the left,
Yeah.
it will make a difference. So it's not about being a fan of the player or not. I think he just sits in that formation beautifully. But it's nice to see that we played a big game well. I was nervous about that game because I'd seen the Man U game, Leicester, Arsenal, we imploded in the Arsenal game to a certain degree. Not been getting the results against the big teams. And Tottenham, when we played them the last time, they weren't in the running for the Champions League place.
Exactly.
So I think we did really well to stop their momentum.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm hoping next season it's a little more straightforward.
Now that you talked about next season, Ziyech coming in next season.
Ziyech is coming.
Oh,
Yes.
Now that's a player that has excited, I think, all football fans for a few seasons now.
Yes, he
And
has.
Chelsea getting someone like him. What are your thoughts?
Squad is building, really.
Squad
I
is
don't know
building. See,
what time it will take, but the
Yeah.
squad is really building.
Yeah.
one signing sometimes does make a difference and sometimes doesn't make a difference. Ziyech is coming in that position where we are weak. Something like in the Willian sort of a role.
The biggest advantage we get with Ziyech is he's got a left foot on him.
Exactly.
It changes the dynamic
What
of
a
your
player.
attack because you get a guy cutting inside like Ian Robin. And Ziyech has experience. So now that's something that we've not had a lot of accountability for this year.
Yeah.
He's played Champions League, he's played in Ajax, he's somebody who's been the star player for his team.
Exactly. Knows how to score goals.
So like when Salah came to us, he was not polished. I think we're getting Ziyech polished.
Yeah.
We are getting Ziyech polished. You know, he brings in something what Mata was bringing to the club.
Yeah.
Mata faster and
Just
the
a-
same
yeah,
way
just a
cutting
faster
in.
version of Juan
Yeah,
Mata.
but you know, cutting in with his left foot.
Yeah.
There is something, you know, like
Nice
they say,
balance. You'll get a balance.
a more creative version of Mata. But you know, Mata had made that difference in the club.
Oh yeah, of course.
What does it do to Hudson-Odoi though? Like, what does...
Nothing. It allows him
You
to
think he'll be
become
fine?
better.
Exactly.
If any
First
player
place.
playing for Chelsea feels that he
Yeah.
would be a starter straight up, he's wrong because
Exactly.
you got to earn that. Pulisic
Like-
didn't get it for 3 months. Everybody was complaining.
Yeah, like what Lampard said in one of his previous interviews, that you have to fight for every position. That's why he, you know, even he made sure that Kepa has to fight for his position in the club.
And Callum didn't play well for a few games in between.
Exactly.
He
Yeah.
moved him out.
Fair
Then he
enough.
scored a goal and he's assisted a few.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
Listen, you're 20 years old. You're going to make mistakes. It's
Yeah.
not that easy. It's,
Of course.
You need all the help around. And you're playing for a massive club. Today you're
Exactly. It's
talking
a
about...
brand. It's a brand.
You're
You
talking
cannot do
about a
that.
club that
Exactly.
you're feeling upset about the fact that we lost to Bayern Munich, right?
Hmm.
So we want to compete with Bayern Munich. Point is, you got to build Chelsea to be a club that is bigger than each player.
See, one place where Chelsea has enough bench strength right now is goalkeepers. What's up with that? What's up with Kepa? And
With Kepa, I think he has to just own it,
Yeah.
Maybe he needs an arm around his shoulder. Maybe this break will do him good.
He's going exactly what De Gea started out like.
Yeah.
exactly.
Yeah, for a while,
fair.
how De Gea started out for the first 1.5 years, conceding, making mistakes, and then slowly he got that confidence back,
Yeah. got-
and now
became the best in the
basically
world.
become one of the best in the world.
Maybe tough love was needed. Maybe we don't know the players
exactly.
personally.
Yeah, of
We
course.
don't know what they're dealing with, and I have to trust my coach and my manager. Frank has taken that decision. Caballero is a good keeper. He's solid. Second
I
goalkeeper.
personally think that Kepa should be there. We should give him some time. He was good last season, but if we just compare about him for only this season, I don't think it's prominent to judge him because, as Arjun you said, that there is slight problem in our defense also. It's not about blaming Kepa. I still believe in him.
So now let's move on to my favorite section, the guest of the month. अब हम मिले इस गेस्ट से हट के अलग से क्योंकि वो भी है थोड़ा हट के और थोड़ा अलग. हाँ, he's not a Chelsea fan, but हमारा शो इतना बढ़िया है कि he couldn't resist coming on. मेरा बाबा, आपका बाबा, हम सबका बाबा, बाबा का बाबा, रणवीर सिंह. इस बार का सेटअप थोड़ा हट के है, बट हमारे गेस्ट भी थोड़े हट के हैं. बट टू बी ऑनेस्ट, इनसे ज्यादा हट के आज तक कोई इंसान ही नहीं मिला मुझे. मेरे बाबा Future Blue, welcome to Out of the Blue, India's brand ambassador to the Premier League, Ranveer Singh. Wow, welcome, Baba, control your emotions.
Just want to tell you, जय झूलेलाल. आउट ऑफ द ब्लू में आपने हमें इनवाइट किया.
I love that you're very.
हमें इस बड़े ही कंफर्टेबल सोफे पर बिठाया. थोड़ी बातचीत करेंगे, थोड़े गप्पे शप्पे. बट द मोस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट थिंग टुडे इज दैट मैं ब्रांड एम्बेसडर प्रीमियर लीग का हूँ. ये ब्रांड एम्बेसडर चेल्सी फुटबॉल क्लब के, और इसी बहाने बहुत अरसे बाद
भरत मिला.
हमारा भारत मिलाप हुआ आपके सोफे पर. आउट ऑफ द ब्लू के नाते ये जोड़ी नंबर 1 रीयूनाइट हुई है. पूछिए सर, पूछिए.
मेरे को बताओ, आर्सेनल फैन कैसे बने आप?
क्यों बने पहले ये तो.
Let me rephrase.
But why is the question?
ये बड़ा इमोशनल सवाल कर दिया आपने. So around the turn of the century is when India actually started getting live Premier League matches telecast.
Yep.
And we were immediately hooked.
Yes.
And to be very, very honest with you, and I've never spoken about this before, at least on a public platform, that it was around then that I was most attracted to 2 teams, Arsenal and Chelsea.
ओ तेरी.
सुन लो. Now, this is the time when Zola was around,
Hasselbank.
collaborating with Hasselbank and Good Johnson.
Correct.
And I used to really love Chelsea.
Okay.
But I used to also admire Arsenal, you know. And
चल झूठा.
in the years to follow the advent of Premier League football in India, Arsenal really started playing some insane football. I mean, you'll agree,
Fair
the
enough.
That's true.
Invincibles
That's
were
true.
playing
They were flawless.
total football.
Absolutely.
You know, I mean,
Those were the days.
That team, Perez, Lundberg, Vieira, Henry.
All good-looking men, good-looking football.
Yeah.
It was just meant
And
to
they
be.
made it look simple. to
And
be
then
honest.
I actually, you know, the clincher for me were two very, very small things. One that
You were
in
in-
school I was in Red House. So
correct,
I said, यार मैं अभी मेरा चॉइस है तो
Red.
तो ब्लू और रेड के बीच में मैं रेड पहनता हूँ तो मैं रेड हो गया जी और
So the second beat.
the second thing was that I just found Thierry Henry to be the kind of guy that
you wanna
I
be
wanted to
friends
be.
with. Yeah.
I just wanted to be someone whose every pore was exuding swagger. You know, he's like a sexy gazelle on the football pitch. You know what I mean? I met him. I had the
Yeah.
great honor and privilege to meet him. And
He is somebody who's as nuanced as you.
So I fell in love with that sexy
can
gazelle
imagine.
of a man.
I can imagine. Yeah.
Abhi Aubameyang very recently scored just like him.
know, right?
And the Premier League on Instagram was like, they posted that and they were like, does this remind you of anybody? I was like, yeah. And yeah, I mean, I met these kids who were wearing the jersey at the Land's End a couple of years ago, and I was like, hey, you know, when you meet Premier League fans, it's always like, hey, tu bhi. So I was like, hey, and they were like, hey. So I was like, एक बात बताऊं? I was having a moment. I was like, एक बात बताऊं? I've always been a closet Chelsea fan. Okay. And then they took a selfie. They were both in their blues and they took a picture and all.
posted it.
And they posted it.
Saying that
And
you're a
they
Chelsea
said, do
fan."
you know what this guy said?
But did you get
He
the
said
tag
he's
down?
a-
Controversy.
He's a closet Chelsea fan. और जो WhatsApp में मुझे फैन क्लब्स ने
गालियाँ
और
दी।
फुटी टॉक वाले ग्रुप ने जो नंगा किया है मुझे एक्सपोज कर दिया इन लड़कों ने
But बाबा आज आपने सबके सामने
But that
admit
is the
किया है।
truth that if I have a second team, I think everybody has a second team. I love watching Chelsea.
Thank you,
You
Baba.
know, they've had such an amazing roster of players.
Over the
Starting
years,
with Drogba, who's literally my favorite blue.
Yep.
Lampard, I used to love. Essien, who can not love JT? You know, there's so many things to admire, so many players to admire in Chelsea, and I really feel sometimes. Sometimes देख के मुझे लगता है ठीक है मैं अपनी second team को देख रहा हूँ तो
आप लोगों ने साथ में फुटबॉल गेम देखा कभी?
साथ में लाइव नहीं देखा
मुश्किल होगा बिकॉज झगड़े हो
कुछ हो जाएगा ना कांड वांड।
स्पेशली अगर हमारी टीम्स इन्वॉल्व आई थिंक इट्स डिफिकल्ट पूरी दोस्ती एक तरफ मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ दुश्मनी इसी चीज पे हो सकती है देखो सच्चाई है ना स्टैमफोर्ड ब्रिज
अच्छा
में पूरी
मैं
जिंदगी
ब्रिज
है
मैं ब्रिज जब भी
फुटबॉल।
जाऊंगा ना तेरे को फोन करके मैं बताऊंगा कैसे लगा
फुल
आप गए नहीं हो क्या अभी तक?
नहीं अभी ब्रिज तक नहीं गया
The entire
एनफील्ड जाना
history
है
of a
ब्रिज
club,
जाना
the
है
entire history of a club is transmitted from what is around. Even when you walk on the pitch, I've had the pleasure of going and standing on center pitch. There is something so global yet intimate about being in that stadium because the whole world gets to see it. But when you're standing, that still
तेरे
feels.
विजिट के फोटोज जब मैं देखता हूँ जो सुलगती है मेरी जो सुलगती है जल के राख हो जाता हूँ मैं
Please say it
एक
in
दिन
English,
के लिए।
Baba. We want the world to know.
I burn to a crisp
But Baba, why are you jealous? You
यार-
get to travel with the Premier
यार-
League. I go with
यार-
Chelsea.
जेड़ा मर्जी
यार
club।
तू टैमी वैमी के साथ ऐसे बैठ गया ऐसे कर रहा है मुझे लगा ये अच्छा भाई लैम्पार्ड के साथ यूं फोटो ले रहा है यूं डेविड लुइस वहां हुआ करता था यूं फोटो ले रहा है यूं मैंने कहा यार
Baba,
ये
I got to
लड़का
meet Frank Lampard and look into
ये
his eyes. I
लड़का-
fell in love.
ये लड़का
If there's any man that I love after you, it has to be Frank Lampard.
Lamps.
Close
You know,
competition.
I was
Close.
दिल से very happy when Lamps came and took the managerial position. I feel like एक collective energy पे ना, it has a huge effect on the collective energy.
It's like how-
Everybody's like, bro, that's Frankie Lampard there. You know, everybody looks up to him. Everybody
boss.
respects him. Everybody's energies are different. Everybody's, you know, giving a very different kind of energy to the team. So I think it made
And
a
it's
big
given
difference.
more respect even from the fact that the team has got, like I keep saying now, it's like a young British upcoming team rather than being just a cosmopolitan team.
And what a young team he's put
Yeah.
together.
Did you expect them to do so well?
No, I didn't expect this batch of youngsters to come together the way they have. They're really gelling. He has galvanized them into a single unit, and I really think Tammy is extremely promising. Mount is extremely promising, and you have the one N'Golo Kante, you know, as long as he stays fit, I think Chelsea are always going to stand a chance.
अभी इन दोनों ने कमिट तो आपने बोल दिया है कि आप आर्सेनल फैन नहीं हो, चेल्सी फैन भी हो, तो अभी आर्सेनल वर्सेस चेल्सी क्विज तो रहा नहीं,
Second club होता है ना?
बट आर्सेनल वर्सेस चेल्सी क्विज नाम था इसका, बट आई डोंट थिंक वो रहा है क्योंकि प्रेम है आपके
नहीं,
अंदर
what is
Chelsea
it?
के
So
लिए।
you're going to ask question.
Questions and we'll see
About?
who is the bigger Chelsea or Arsenal fan. चलो, first question. Who holds the record for the most goals in Arsenal versus Chelsea fixture?
Didier Drogba.
ये तो ऐसे ले जाएंगे, आप ऐसे ही देखते रह जाओगे, खतरनाक आदमी है।
मतलब तू इंसल्टिंग सवाल करके मैं जवाब थोड़ी दूंगा, मुझे नहीं पता। अब तो मतलब कुछ ही मिनट पहले मैंने बोला था वी बीन टॉर्मेंटेड बाय ड्रॉगबा, यहाँ लिख दूं, ड्रॉगबा ने मेरी ले ली, यहाँ पे लिख दूं।
चलो, second question. Name 5 players who played for both Chelsea and Arsenal in the Premier League.
Gallas, David Luiz,
Giroud,
Giroud,
check.
check,
देना कोई नाम।
अरे आपको जीत सकते हो, जीत जाओ।
Ashley Cole,
अरे अभी नहीं हो, 4-4 हुए।
Ashley Cole.
5 हो गए भैया।
आपके 5 हो गए क्या?
तू ना
नहीं पर हम दोनों ने साथ भी दिया।
वन मने
मैंने दोनों ने साथ भी दिया।
कोल मैंने बोला था, एशली कोल आने वाला था,
डेविड
आया
लुइस
नहीं,
मैंने बोला
लेकिन
था,
मुझे एक
डेविड लुइस मैंने बोला था, पेट्रो चेक मैंने बोला था।
ये हो गया 1-1।
बाबा देख जैसे नंदे था वैसे बांट के
1-1 गेस्ट है यार। Arsene Wenger's 1000 game in charge of Arsenal game against Chelsea in 2014. That was his 1000 game. What was the score?
Chelsea won I think. Chelsea won.
याद है क्या?
बाबा say the score ना Chelsea won ना।
यार भैया 14 था तो चेल्सी ओनली वन।
Chelsea won. I think Mata scored.
It's 1000th game Arsene Wenger.
Oh, it was not 8-0 or 7-0 or something like that ना 8-2
आसपास है। 8-2 तो कहीं और सा। अरे कहाँ जा रहे हो यार?
कहाँ था वो?
रो पड़ेंगे।
अरे नहीं वो था ना we scored a lot of goals. The Mertesacker came in and he got sent off. That was that game. 4-0, 5-0,
अब मैं
6-0.
समझा।
ये बात।
देखा
ये गुस्सा हो रहे हैं इनके
अब मैं
चेंज
समझा,
करना पड़ेगा।
आप लोगों ने मुझे यहाँ बुलाया है
एम्बैरस करने के लिए।
इंसल्ट करने के
नहीं नहीं ऐसा
लिए।
नहीं। सवाल बदलो हाँ।
अतिथि देवो भव बोल बोल के
मैंने इनका पॉइंट
पानी निकाल रहे हो तुम लोग मेरा।
मैंने पॉइंट इनको दे दिया।
Chelsea beat Arsenal 4-1. अरे यार, in last year's Europa League final, what was the score at half time? I'm sorry रणवीर, मैंने नहीं लिखे यार।
But he's the Premier League face now. He has no choice.
I cannot trust you अंकुश। ये शायद आप ही ने लिखे हैं। बिल किसी और के ऊपर फाड़ रहे हो। Can we talk about a game where Arsenal won?
Okay, Baba. Let's talk about the 3-all game where Van Persie scored.
पहले बता दो आंसर। पॉइंट तो
क्या है आंसर क्या?
हाफ टाइम पे क्या स्कोर था यूरोपा लीग फाइनल में?
बाकू
बाकू की
अजरबैजान।
बात बाद में करते हैं।
यार बाकू को क्या हुआ ना, मैं इतना हर्ट हो गया ना बाकू के बाद कि मैंने वो पूरी रात अपने दिमाग से इटर्नल सनशाइन कर लिया।
Fair enough.
मैंने बोला ये तो कभी हुआ ही नहीं।
This question also is null
Till
and
today
void.
I am in
Like the
denial
score
of
which is null and void as
I am
well.
in denial of
This
बाकू।
quiz has become null and void. हाँ।
बट ये पहले ऐसे लूजर तो नहीं बोलूंगा, बट पहली बार विनर को गिफ्ट नहीं मिलेगा।
नहीं मुझे क्या मुझे तमाचे मिलेंगे इस आदमी से इधर बुला के इनकी तौहीन की है।
देखो जी ऐसे नहीं कि मैं कुछ भी उठा के लेके भी जा सकता हूँ यहाँ से।
सब चेल्सी का।
ना ये लाइट,
I think you should take
ना
this
ये
light.
शर्ट, ना ये कमीज, ना ये कुत्ता।
तो ये पिलो दिस इज द ओनली न्यूट्रल पार्ट ऑफ दिस एंटायर सेट।
अभी आपको जो देना है ना असल में रणवीर के लिए,
देखो जी
बट मैं नहीं दूंगा।
आज दोपहर में क्रिस्टल पैलेस के कर्ता धर्ता आए थे, उन्होंने भी हमें क्रिस्टल पैलेस की एक जर्सी दी थी। मैंने कहा सर विल्फ्रेड ज़ाहा दे देते तो थोड़ी और हेल्प हो जाती।
You just wanted jersey नहीं थी, give us a human being. I don't want a jersey from you. Just give me your best player and get relegated. It was just such an even conversation. But Baba, at least we got the number right.
Oh wow!
ये क्यों है लेकिन मेरे को जानना है।
Something. This is really something.
At least we got the number right.
Why
Yeah,
that?
you did.
Why that, sir? Why
Oh,
that?
fantastic. Why this? Because for me it represents yin and yang, the duality of our cosmic existence. समझे?
बिल्कुल सही है। I completely buying it.
किसी भी तरह देखो तो बाबा उल्टे देखो या सीधे देखो।
वाह वाह।
Yin and yang.
बाबा this is for
CFC.
you.
Thank you. This is my first
Chelsea
Chelsea jersey.
जो हमें पता है तुम नहीं पहनोगे लेकिन
क्यों नहीं पहननी पड़ेगी यार?
हाँ
Thank you guys. Thank you.
Let's also figure out who the bigger Chelsea fan between these two is.
मैं आराम कर सकता हूँ, तुम लोग लड़ो भाई।
आराम कहाँ कर पाते हो? अब लास्ट टाइम नहीं देखा था क्या हुआ था?
नहीं वो तो हराम हो गया था। उसमें तो भाई हम सबकी नाक कटी थी after that quiz. But I think these two will do better. Let's
लग रहा है ना? पोटेंशियल तो है। चलो शुरू करें।
को टेस्ट करो पहले। नहीं।
इस पर थोड़ा एडवांटेज है
बहुत
डेसिबल
loud
लेवल्स
है।
वाला। Okay, first question. Which Chelsea player was the first Premier League goal scorer of Mourinho's era?
Joe Cole.
ला गलत हो गया ये तो।
लैम्पार्ड।
I think Glenn Johnson scored.
तीनों गलत। आइडा गुडजॉनसन।
हाँ, good. But his Community Shield was the first game that he actually managed.
Yeah. Who scored Chelsea's first goal in 2019?
पिछले साल का पहला गोल।
कांटे।
Nope.
Willian.
नहीं?
नहीं, Premier
But it's a
League
striker.
because they play.
Morata.
Okay. Should we give it to him? दे देते हैं चलो 1 point. बोपू तो बजा दो भाई. Beautiful. Now it's 1-0 to Rishi. Against which team did Chelsea kick off their title-winning Champions League season?
वैलेंसिया।
अरे यार इस बारी की थोड़ा ना बात कर रहा. It's a German team.
Bayer Leverkusen.
Hey, beautiful. That's not bad actually. That's a good enough. hint.
Leverkusen and you got Morata, so 2-0. बेटा कुछ कर लाइफ में।
प्रेशर आ गया उसकी स्वेटिंग शुरू हो गई है देख मैं तेरे को ना अभी से देख के आ रहा हूँ दबा देना जैसे ही मैं बोल रहा हूँ
पैर नीचे कर ऐसे जोश
आसान
के
है
साथ, हाँ।
हो जाएगा दबा देना बस Who is Chelsea's all-time top scorer?
फ्रैंक लैम्पार्ड।
Beautiful 2-1
बोला ना पैर नीचे कर 2-1
Awesome. Which Argentine midfielder did Chelsea buy for? This is also very easy. 15 million pounds from Man United in 2003.
3 में चले तो बताया था ना 2000।
अरे
टकला था,
bald
टकला था।
guy.
Bald.
Which
He had a French
Argentine
beard.
midfielder?
Argentine midfielder.
from Man United.
United thought he'd be
Ferguson
the.
used to love him. He played
Yeah.
for Lazio before that. French beard.
सब कुछ दे दिया यार.
Juan Sebastian Veron.
Hey, not bad. Not bad. कोई बात नहीं.
चलेगा तू थोड़ा
3-1.
बाद में बना fan. ठीक.
Maybe like Chelsea, you will come back as well. Who was the first Chelsea signing after the 2012 Champions League win?
बोलो
बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट लग रहा है अर्जुन मेरे को यहाँ पे.
दो है बिकॉज एक पहले से कंफर्म साइनिंग थी और दूसरा
एक है ब्लॉन्डी.
और सस्ते में मिला था हमको जर्मन लीग से.
सही कह रहे हो.
द इनिशियल्स आर बोथ द सेम फर्स्ट सरनेम एंड हिज फर्स्ट.
Marco Marin.
ये तो खतरनाक है थोड़ा. इसको इतना सा दे दो ये पूरा हाथ पकड़ लेता है.
बट देखो मैं क्लू दे रहा हूँ.
Clue.
Not bad. Who has made the most appearances for Chelsea ever?
Petr Cech.
नहीं यार
जॉन टेरी।
थोड़ा जाओ.
बहुत पहले.
हाँ बहुत पहले था
चले
पता है।
जाओ. टाइम मशीन में घुस जाओ. ये तो मुझे मालूम है यार. Being a neutral.
चलो बता दो.
Ron Harris. नाम तो सुना होगा.
Yes.
Who did Frank Lampard overtake to become Chelsea's record goal scorer? ठीक है जब हो जाए बता देना.
Roy Bentley.
Nope. Bobby Tamling. चलो नाम पता है लेकिन.
But चलो that would have been tough.
That's tough. But I think it's out of Deepu's hands now. It's okay.
It was never in Deepu's hand. The only thing in Deepu's hand was
This
this.
is Babu. A consolation question. How many times have they won the FA Cup? How many times has Chelsea won the FA Cup?
7, 8।
5.
ये तो बहुत ही. Just
Beach
because
का
you're
ही
so
होगा
off target, I'll give 1 point to him. It's
Beach का होगा.
8 times. But congratulations. Rishi.
बहुत मजा आया ये क्विज देख के.
But इतना खराब नहीं था.
स्टैमफोर्ड ब्रिज की तरफ से स्टैमफोर्ड ब्रिज का मेटल शर्ट.
Thank you.
मोस्ट वेलकम.
Beautiful. कहाँ लगाने वाले हो ये तो बताओ.
देखते हैं.
खुशी नहीं हुआ यार. दीपू को दे दे भाई तू.
देखते हैं. अलमारी पे below my Chelsea carpet.
That's it.
Oh nice.
जैकेट दे देना ये मेरी है।
हाँ.
So that's that. Can't believe we've done 4 episodes यार. 4 episode खत्म हो गए. Thank you for all the love and support, all you guys. But a big thank you to Ankush for being my partner in crime and now a new Chelsea supporter.
Of course. Can't deny it.
But
And can't accept it.
but it's work in progress. I think कभी ना कभी तो तुम बन ही
I'll
जाओगे.
get there someday.
I think by the end of this season we'll have a new Chelsea fan.
I think so.
Big thank you to Deepu and a big thank you to Rishi Raj for coming here, telling your stories, living with us, the memories of Chelsea, talking Chelsea. Did you guys have fun?
Yes,
Yes.
man. Thank you for having us.
Thank you for having me.
और तारीफ करो यार.
बहुत अच्छा शो है, बहुत मजा आता है, हर एपिसोड देखते हैं, स्टफ लाइक दैट।
ऐसे बोलो
करते रहे, इनके तेवर तो कभी कमी नहीं होगा।
क्या बात है, ये तो मार गए, सोशल मीडिया रख लो इसको।
Thank you for being here. Keep the blue flag flying high. Before we sign off, as usual, a big shout out to all our Chelsea FPL India top 3. Leon Benjamin, Rupen Chhetri, Gaurav Kar. The winners win some exciting Chelsea merchandise, and who doesn't want that? I know I do. Till episode 5, keep on watching Out of the Blue. Keep supporting Chelsea like you guys do. Hope we thrash Bayern in the second leg and keep the blue flag flying high.